Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Zoho CRM for managing sales relationships, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Zoho CRM account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard to get an overview of your sales pipeline. Click on the Leads module from the main menu on the left side of the screen. Here, you can add new leads by clicking the New Lead button. Fill in the required information, such as next. Save the lead to store it in your database. To manage existing leads, select any lead from the list. On the Leads detail page, you can update information, add notes, or set follow-up tasks. Utilize the Activities tab to schedule calls, meetings, or send emails directly from the Leads page. To assign leads to your sales team, click the Assign button and select the appropriate team member. When a lead qualifies, convert it into a contact or account by clicking on the Convert button. For effective tracking, visit the Contacts module to manage all customer interactions. You can add new contacts by clicking the New Contact button and filling in their details. Link contacts to specific accounts for a complete view of your sales relationships. To manage your deals, head to the Deals module. Add new deals by selecting New Deal, and fill in all relevant information, such as deal value and closing date. Utilize the built-in sales pipeline view to track the progress of each deal through different stages. To generate reports on your sales activities, go to the Reports section in the main menu. Choose the type of report you want to create, such as lead conversion rates or sales forecasts. Customize your report parameters based on date ranges, sales reps, or deal stages. Run the report to analyze your sales performance and make informed decisions. For team collaboration, utilize the Feeds feature to post updates and tag team members. Enable notifications for important activities to stay updated on changes in your sales relationships. Finally, integrate Zoho CRM with other tools you use, such as email or marketing platforms, for a streamlined workflow. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your sales relationships using Zoho CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.